In this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley zooms in on entrepreneurial initiatives to cash in on Jamaica's creative industries.
Kingston has been designated as a UNESCO Creative City of Music. That's because of our rich culture and musical heritage. But how much of that have we really tapped into? Our team met up with a group of entrepreneurs here in Kingston at the Dancehall Hostel to find out.
Last year, we can say we brought 420 people into the community of Jacksontown.
Creative director at the Dancehall Hostel, Orville Hall. He says he expects to surpass that mark this year. He's created an entire business around teaching tourists how to dance to dancehall music, and it's all happening in this community, Jacksontown, St. Andrew. Each tourist pays $35 for a session lasting about 1 hour 15 minutes. At today's rate, that's about 4,700 Jamaican dollars per person. The Dancehall Hostel can accommodate up to 40 persons at a time. Mr. Hall highlights that he isn't the only one benefiting from the influx of tourists to the community.
With Dancehall Hostel, one of the main things is that we help to make the community earn as well. So the Kerry around the road will sell our chicken and fries. Princess up the road will sell our ice cream. Marjorie that does our food thing. They are a part of what happens in the community. The guests are able to walk around the road and shop at the liquor store around the road, or they can go across the road to the dancehall deli and get them like a sandwich or them like a food. So the community benefit.
And it's not just Kingston. Mr. Hall recently hosted a dance camp in Montego Bay, St. James, luring 34 visitors from 16 different countries who had come to the parish for Reggae Sumfest.
This will be the second year that we have now gone into the western end, which is Montego Bay, where we collaborate with Reggae Sumfest to have people get the Sumfest experience. Because when people come to Kingston, they get the Kingston experience, but we say the Sumfest experience would be taking it at a different level.
With regards to the accommodation side of the business, a room at the Dancehall Hostel can go for as low as $45. Managing director at the hostel, Sylvester Gordon, says it's even more affordable when his clients arrive in groups.
But most of my guests, they come in groups, so I can keep them up to like 4 to 8 person in a room. So that's much easier for me, and the price more easier for deal with. But we also have private room as well. And then we have the dance studio and the dance class what we offer here.
As for the visitors themselves,
it's been a ton of fun. It's been a safe way to come to Jamaica and experience all of the dance instruction and feel like you have like a solid home base.
My experience has been really good. This is my third time here. It's just relaxing and welcoming. A lot of dancers come through here and just getting to hang out with people from the area, and it just feels like you're at home. And so to really know how to do dance hall properly, you have to go to the parties and feel the vibe and see how everyone interprets dance hall in their own way.
It's been good. It's not my first time. It's always nice here.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.